How to apply for EZ Pass in New Jersey. Having a New Jersey EZ Pass tag will allow you to save time and money if you drive in New Jersey and frequently use any of the toll roads or bridges. Because the state of New Jersey has made applying for an EZ Pass simple, citizens no longer need to wait in the lengthy cash lanes on the New Jersey Turnpike. You can bypass the toll booths if you have an EZ Pass, which is easy to obtain. So, let's learn how to apply for the EZ Pass in New Jersey. Online registration is the quickest way to obtain a New Jersey toll pass. Check the link in the description to access the state's website. You can select a personal or business account once you've visited the site. You must submit the relevant data, select a payment method, and accept the terms. You will receive the transponder in the mail. In store. Additionally, there are EZ Pass customer service centers spread all across New Jersey. It could be simpler to drop off or complete your application at these places if you are passing by. You might be able to get a transponder right away, depending on the regulations at hand. If not, they will send it to your residential address. Additionally, several Walmarts in New Jersey sell EZ Passes. You have to pay an additional $3 convenience fee at this location to receive a transponder. Through phone, customer care representatives are available to enroll you over the phone. Call 1-888-288-6865 or 1888 auto-toll during regular working hours. You have to provide all of your personal details over the phone. The transponder will be mailed to you. Via mail. You should print your application off the web page if you would rather mail it. Ensure that everything is completed and that money is available. If not, you risk receiving the documents back without a transponder tag. Send your application to the NJEZ Pass Customer Service Center at P.O. Box 52001, Newark, New Jersey 07101-8201. You can use this approach to submit a personal or business application. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.